Today is Performance Evaluation Day. The team will conduct a 360-degree feedback review for Mr. Arnel, one of the company's junior staff. The process involves getting feedback from her manager, co-worker, and assistant to make the evaluation fair and balanced.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Hi, Mr. Arnel. Today we'll evaluate Mr. Arnel for his performance and for this quarter, and Miss Katrina from the HR will be guide us through the process.
Thank you, Ms. Karen. We're using the 360-degree feedback method. This means we'll hear from people who work with Mr. Arnel, his peers, subordinates, and supervisor before we give the final evaluation.
I think Mr. Arnel has very dependable. Helps the team meet deadlines and communicates well. Sometimes, he takes some extra work without complaining.
Really? Well, alright.
Yes, Ms. Micaela, I agree. His patience when explaining to me, though I notice his stress sometimes when we have urgent projects.
Well, noted from my view, Mr. Arnel. Mr. Arnel is one of the top performer this month. And he even did the recent marketing. I also read the papers of Mr. Arnel. Project very well. And honestly, I can think of any weaknesses for Mr. Arnel evaluation.
That's great feedback. But remember, we must be objective.
Wow, alright, Miss
Miss Karen, that sounds like the halo effect. When one good trait makes us overlook other areas for improvement.
Or you're right. So maybe I was too focused on his recent success. So okay, one area for Mr. Arnel can still improve on its time management. So he's tend to stay late to finish her task that what do you call this, could be managed earlier.
Exactly.
After hearing everyone's feedback, the HR officer summarizes the evaluation and gives recommendations.
Thank you, everyone. Based on our feedback, Mr. Arnel's performance is very good overall, with minor areas for improvement. We'll schedule follow-up in 3 months to see his progress.
Oh, in 3 months, you can do it, Arnel.
Thank you, everyone. I appreciate all your feedback, honest. I keep on working managing by better and keeping up good work.
We believe in you, Mr. Arnel. Keep up the good work. And that's how a fair and effective performance evaluation is done, using the 360-degree feedback method and being aware of raters' bias to ensure honesty and improvement.